Hi fellas, como habéis podido ver en mi último vídeo, estoy recorriendo Penang y voy a hacer, este vídeo es un especial para los grafitis, el street art, el arte urbano, todos los grafitis sin censura en este vídeo, en el otro solo he recortado un poco.
Okay. Hey. Emotional trauma with a prima donna, gasping when she see the commas, laughing to conceal the monsters. I feel like Kanye when he lost his Donda. When my father left me, you were there to heal the pain that caused.
El arte urbano que se puede encontrar por las calles, simplemente vas andando y te lo encuentras por todos sitios.
People spiritually connected turn to enemies and memories turn to villain origin accessories. And I'm the bad guy yet again. Spent so much time trying to find who the victim is. It's probably both of us, but neither.
En gran parte la popularidad de Georgetown se debe al artista Ernest Zakarevic. Es un artista de Lituania, autor de obras como estas, que son diferentes al street art que normalmente se disfruta por las calles de todo el mundo.
Bus stop, and then the bus crash. Your true intentions unmasked. This should have been a fairy tale ending, but you uncast. I know it hurts bad, but you know you deserve that. We'll never have the life we once had. Hey. Emotional trauma with a prima donna.
Y hay otra obra de las más famosas del artista lituano.
Emotional trauma with you. I got my problems with you, but I can never get away. I wish my brain had a hard drive that I could reset. Wish I made the right decisions, but it's hard to reject. Moving on, but you got me on both sides of the fence. Left your mark forever, that's without a scar on the flesh. Wish that I was sick and didn't hit the.
Otra obra de Ernest.
Money time with you just to be in this debt. See you happy somewhere else while I've been filled with regret. Try to find someone to blame, but it's just cause and effect.
Me está gustando bastante esto del street art de Georgetown. Es diferente este street art de otros sitios, básicamente gracias a la obra del lituano que muchos han copiado, porque por lo que he visto, según el mapa que tengo yo de cosas de él, luego hay otras cosas que no son de él y son el mismo estilo.
Get down, you can't tell me now about time. Do you know how many lines I done put down, vibes I done sent out? But we in here, you dig. I'll up the market till they come red carpet the kids. Success still the target. Soon I'll be crossing that bridge, but can't bring everybody with me. Family only. I got some people think I owe a favor, barely know me. That's why my focus on the road. It's all I know. I see them sticking close to play the wanna watch my growth, cause I got something they never had. So get on the beat and I need a helipad. I float, I'm fly. You know where I'm from, so it comes as no surprise. I the South with a mean vernacular, dream spectacular. I keep a queen and passenger, FL capital Y. Anywhere I am, jam, that's for sure. Turn me on, better set the mood from the door. That's just how it goes. Glad I've been keeping it playing so long. Out here in this world, I feel it ain't a place that I could roam. But ain't nothing like you when I'm at home. It ain't nothing like you when I'm at home. That's why I came out stepping. I can't be doing things regular for you. I want the magic to last. I know how time try and ruin things. It get repetitive, got you tempted to doing things. I can't get reckless without you, wouldn't be no music thing. Plus, remember, we made promises way back then, and I still owe that 5-bed house with 2-3 kids. We got a fairy tale plan that's gonna change up the order they sort the mail in. Plus, I know loyalty not as valued as what it was. We not influenced by what they do, cause it's only us. I still hear poetry when I'm looking into them eyes. I still get lost in the thought of you with some.
Suficientes grafitis ya por hoy. Me ha gustado mucho Georgetown. Si queréis ver el resto de lo que es Georgetown y Penang, os dejo el vídeo aquí arriba. Y si os ha gustado, dale like, suscribiros y seguidme en mi Instagram, donde podéis seguir toda mi aventura por el sudeste asiático.